Did you know that many organizational problems are not about organizational systems or strategies, but about how people actually work together? In this program, you learn how to design organizations to change meaningfully and contribute responsibly to society. Let me tell you more. In this program, you study organizations from three closely connected perspectives. First, you look at organizations in their societal context, how they are shaped by social, economic and political forces, and how they in turn affect society. Second, you focus on social practices, how people actually work, collaborate, make sense of their actions and mobilize for change. And third, you study organizational structures, HR systems and technologies and how they shape everyday work.
I chose to study this specialization because it specifically focuses on organization design, change management and also developing sustainable business practices. And this perfectly aligns with my professional ambitions to help organizations become effective and adaptable for a longer period of time.
What I like most about this program is that it goes beyond the traditional business perspectives. It looks at the social dynamics within organizations and the social practices. For example, how do people collaborate, how do they adapt to change, but also how do they interact within and across their organizational settings.
After talking to students who already completed this program, I realized that this master offers a very unique way of analyzing organizations and understanding the challenges that they face. The master guides you through very commonly occurring organizational problems, provides you with an analytical framework in order to analyze these problems, and also offers intervention methods in order to change organizations durably for the better.
The connection between theory and practice is at the heart of this specialization. For instance, our master students were involved in analyzing a redesign process in a hospital and had to come up with suggestions to improve the next phase of their change trajectory. This helps our students understand not only what should change, but also why and when certain changes are more likely to succeed than others.
Now, after I graduated and started working, I see for myself how relevant those theories truly are in practice. For example, these theories provide insight into why people sometimes resist to change, how individuals respond differently to new situations, and how you can actively engage people into the change process. Instead of seeing resistance as something negative, you learn how to use it in a constructive way to achieve better outcomes. These are exactly the kind of situations I now work with on a daily basis.
If you're curious to understand organizations and shape meaningful change, we're more than happy to welcome you here at Radboud University.